Okay, what's cracking? We we are here at Boeing Field um, to load an airplane. So that's pretty neat. Uh, so this is first time for this. So we'll see how that goes. Uh, we got a new shirt. I don't know if you can tell. It'll probably be easier to tell if I'm standing up. But Claire will put a picture up. But we got a new shirt. Of Frank's stuff. But yeah, we're gonna do this. Hopefully all goes smooth. I feel pretty confident about how we're gonna hook this thing up. It doesn't have the I don't know what the proper name of it is, but it doesn't have the engine component area. So there's no propeller, there's no engine. It's just flat, and then the wings are folded in, and then it also doesn't have the rear tail wing. So one less thing. So yeah, pretty confident, nervous, excited, but all should go well. So we'll get this going. We'll just show you how this happens. Okay, if we want to use those little wood slats, kind of the same idea.
Same idea, bridge that.
Yeah, just because that little lip might fight us, and I don't want it to force that dolly out from under. But I mean, we're looking fantastic.
It's hard to tell where it's.
I think honestly, yeah, just a couple slats and then that cardboard should be perfect. All right.
One more.
Okay. You ready? One more? All right. Perfect. right, looks like we made it.
We made it.
One piece.
Kind of weird that you didn't leave me a spot to put it.
Yeah, a little odd,
A little odd.
but all right.
Called it when it went straight to voicemail too, so. Oh well. Deal.
So we'll leave these two, and
Okay.
then I guess we'll just start breaking everything else down. Do you know where you want to put this back wing?
Tuck it under his car, maybe. When that car moves. And I'll just leave him a note that it's under there.
All right.
Figure out somewhere.
Okay, no worries. I'm not stressed about it. Whatever works for you.